More and more Indian families are being rocked by grief. This country is breaking records daily for the number of new infections. In the last 24 hours, another 3,500 people have died. This man's brother is now among the dead. He didn't get the treatment he needed, he says. India's hospitals are running desperately short of beds and the medical oxygen needed to treat critically ill patients. And in places, the healthcare infrastructure itself is collapsing. An electrical fault at an intensive care ward in Gujarat caused a fire which killed 18 patients and staff. It's the second fatal hospital fire in less than a week. India's vaccination programme has been open to all adults, but in a country of 1.3 billion people, demand often outstrips supply.
I informed as many as I could, but then the slots were limited and only a few of them could get slots.
From the tarmac at Heathrow this afternoon, some help is now on its way to Delhi, organised and flown by an airline pilot who wanted to do anything he could to get oxygen to the places where it's most needed.
So basically they're oxygen concentration machines and they're going to help people breathe. So people have been turned away from hospitals because there's just not, the capacity isn't there. So people need oxygen or they need oxygen concentration machines. And we've got these 200 machines which are going to help tremendously.
The airline says it plans to send further supplies next week. In their effort to deal with a devastating wave of infections, India's hospitals will need all the help they can get. Geraint Vincent, ITV News.